Little storyteller.
Lily lived in a cozy little house by a sparkling river. Her best friend was a playful river otter named Pip. Pip had sleek brown fur and bright, curious eyes. He loved to chase butterflies and splash in the cool water. Every morning, Lily and Pip would meet by the muddy riverbank. The mud was soft and squishy under their feet. "Ready for a slide, Pip?" Lily would giggle. Pip would wiggle with excitement and zoom down the muddy slope into the river with a splash. Lily would follow, laughing as the cool water tickled her toes. After their sliding contests, Lily and Pip would search for treasures in the riverbed. They looked for the shiniest, smoothest river stones. Lily loved the ones that sparkled like tiny jewels. Pip preferred the perfectly round ones he could balance on his nose. One sunny afternoon, as they were searching, Lily found a stone that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. "Oh, Pip, look!" she exclaimed. Pip swam over to see. He nudged the stone with his nose, and then looked at Lily with a happy squeak. Lily knew Pip loved shiny things too. She held out the rainbow stone. "Let's share it, Pip," she said. Pip nudged her hand with his head, as if to say thank you. They both admired the beautiful stone. Lily placed the rainbow stone on a sunny rock by the riverbank. Sometimes they would both look at it together. Lily learned that sharing special things with a friend makes them even more special. And Pip learned that having a kind friend like Lily was the best treasure of all.
Please subscribe. Thank you.